David, are you here? I just opened the YouTube live. We'll just introduce the radios here. Hi, good night, guys. Welcome to global-ptt official live. My name is Sarah. In this live, I'm going to show you our radios. Today, I have 3 new products I'm going to introduce in our live. If you want to order, you can go to the shop to order. If you don't need it, you can just watch our live, stay here, and talk to me. Okay. What I'm showing here are our latest product, the 528 Plus model. Okay, the 528 Plus model is just a new one with our new technology on it. It's global band, and we add SOS on it. So it is global PTT, UHF, VHF with SOS and GPS. It is 3 in 1, 3 standby. Okay, 3 standby. If you have 4G signal, you have 4G reception, it will work under global PTT. If you don't have 4G, no 4G signal, it will work under the UHF and VHF analog. Okay, under the UV band, the frequency range for it is 134 MHz to 136 MHz to 174 MHz. The UHF is 400 to 490 MHz. That is frequency range. Okay, under global PTT mode, we can talk globally, but only to our team members, to our group members. And you can see there are 2 PTT button 1 and button 2. Press the PTT button 1, we can talk under global PTT mode. Press the button 2, we can talk under the UHF and VHF analog mode. And on the top, you can check global PTT and VHF. And here, press the menu button. We can go to the settings to check it, and then go to the menu, the VHF menu. The menu are different. Okay, bro, what's the man? This Loki Suka. What you are talking? What I'm showing here is 4G radios, guys. It's PO3 radios. We can use it to achieve the global call with our friend, with our team member. This is walkie-talkie. Where are you from? Are you from American? If you are from American, I think you must know global PTT. Now we are the, now we are. I think we are just ranked the top 3 in American. Very well known brand, global PTT brand. And we are also supplier for many of the famous brands in America because we are the factory. Here in our lab, I'm going to do brand promotion for global PTT and only for global PTT. We don't have the other brand radios, only global PTT radios. But I have more than 40, 40 different designs in our lab. And every year, guys, we're going to develop and research more than 10 different designs. We will put in market, and you can see in the market. And if you like us, you can give us a following, because once we have new radios, we have new products are going to show in our live. Okay. This is a free gift from Global PTT. Rubber doll. If you like it, you can claim it from me during our live, during we are having our live, during we're doing the live. Okay, I'm going to pass it. I think you need a walkie-talkie at home, especially if you have a senior citizen at home. This walkie-talkie, it has SOS function. Okay, it has SOS function. When we press the SOS alarm, it will be on, and we go to we will notice that someone need help. Okay, this is a 528 Plus. It's a new product from Global PTT. We also have so many different designs. This is the big one. We also have small ones. No matter it is big or small, this walkie-talkie, it will work. Okay, they are just compatible with each other, and it just works great. Okay, if you have any questions about us, guys, you can type it out on the public screen. I can answer you here directly. Every other day we're gonna to do this live, not every day. Okay, it's every other day. But besides the global PTT YouTube live, we also have some other live like the Amazon live, the TK live. You can looking for us. Okay, you can looking for search global PTT. You will find us. Remember the global PTT logo. You can see here we have a global PTT logo at the back. If you can find the global PTT logo, you can find us. Okay. Now let me pass it. Do you have any questions? If no more, I show another new product from global-ptt. Okay, this one is another new product from global-ptt. This is G8 Plus model. Okay, this is a G8 Plus model. The G8 Plus model, it is a long antenna. The long antenna is for the UHF. The short antenna is for the 4G. Okay, the upper is global-ptt. And here is UHF analog. Global-ptt and UHF analog is 2-in-1, and this one is 3-in-1. Global-ptt, UHF, and VHF, 3-in-1 4G radios, and this one's 2-in-1 4G radios. And we also add the FM frequency on it. We can listen to the music. We can listen to the news. Okay, we can also listen to the talk show on it. Just pick up some local frequencies. Okay, not a global frequency, it's a local frequency. But the upper here, global-ptt, is for global use. We can achieve the international call between the team members. We can achieve the global call. And here is the UHF, global-ptt and UHF. It is a 2-in-1. The selling price for it is $376 per pair. Why we sell it in pairs? Because it is for communicate. We use this walkie-talkie for communicate. We can achieve the long distance call. We can achieve the international call. Just between the radios in the same group. And if you order one only, we can't create a group for you. You need to order two. At least two, okay? At least two, then you're going to have your own private channel, you're going to have your own company, then you can talk in the company, and we're going to offer you the company account. You can just use the company account to checking the to check the radios, to manage the radios just by yourself, okay? Press the PTT button, you can send the message. Press the PTT button 2 to send a message out under the UHF analog mode. Set them in the same frequency, they can talk. But when we're talking under the UHF analog mode, there will be a density limit. Okay, there will be not too far. The maximum is 20 kilometers. And if you want to change your if you want to make the longer distance call under the UHF analog mode, I think you need to change the antenna. Just remove the antenna to change another antenna. You can order the antenna, separate antenna online. There are so many stores, they just sell the antenna. You can just change a longer antenna, it will reach longer. And you can also connect it with a repeater, okay, with a ham radio repeater. Let me show you, okay. Just come to the menu, find the working mode. Here is 2-in-1 POC mode, analog mode, and the last one is repeater mode. Okay, we can just connect it to a ham radio repeater, and it will just talk longer distance. Okay, some of the guys, some of the clients, they just ask me, do I need a license? Okay, from FCC. For me, I think no need, because we register this radio as a POC radio. So just like your phone. When you use your phone, you don't need a license. So when you use this radio, no, you need license either too. No need license, or a GMIS license is okay. You can choose. You can use this walkie-talkie to talk to some other brand in the same frequency. Okay. You can also use this walkie-talkie to talk to a global-ptt radios. But if you want to talk to some other brand, you need to set the frequency on it to talk to a ham radio, to talk to a GMRS radio. Okay, and if you want to talk under global PTT mode, all your radios must be from global PTT. We set the agent protection system. If you want to use our radio to talk to some other brand, it can't be. Okay, that's because our agent protection system, it will just protect the profit of our agents, and from the different agents, your radios doesn't work together. They are not compatible with each other. Okay, this is our radios. Radios is for professional use. Okay, phone is for daily use. If you want to buy this radio for your workers, for your employees, you can come to inquiry from us because we have so many different designs. It's suitable for different conditions, for different scenarios. Okay, this is where we're going to use those kind of walkie-talkie. And for now, guys, we can provide product ODM and OEM. 1 month ago, we have one client, which is from American. They just want to use this walkie-talkie for their skiing company because they already have their own business. But they have some clients that need the instant communication tools, and they can't use their phone to communicate during their skiing. So we just do the ODM for them. We just design a small size, just half like this one. Okay, we add the SOS. When they fall down, their SOS alarm, it will be on. And we also add the GPS location function for them. Okay, this is what we do for our big client. We can provide product ODM and OEM. Okay, if you are a direct customer, you want to try our radios, we have more than 40 designs for you to choose. You can try starting from the small size, or you can just try the big one. Yeah, they are very easy to play. Okay, this one is also a new product. I'm going to show those new products one by one. Okay, and this is for professional use. For instant communicate, we can use it. For instant communicate, we can use this walkie-talkie to achieve that. For the warehouse, okay, for the fishman, for the security team, for the bodyguard, for the subway station. Okay, this walkie-talkie is widely used, and from us you can get the high quality product because we have a very high standard for the radios we produced. Okay, we manufacture it. Beside the radios, we also offer a good service. Our service is 24/7. Okay, it's 24/7. So after you order it, if you need any problems, we can help you to solve it. Okay, there are so many sellers now in the market. Why you would just choose Global PTT? We are the big manufacturer, and we can offer you a service for you. Okay, the service is for free. Compared to some other platforms, the big platforms, okay, the big company, we don't charge a platform fee. Okay, the service we can offer you is global service. Okay, we have our own SIM card. The devices we research and develop by ourselves. You can also tell your requirement. We can do that for you, and it's for free. But we need to sign contracts. Okay, the contract of first purchase must be more than $5,000. Okay, for the ODM and OEM. Online set GPS function. Okay, I want to introduce the SIM card before we go to the next step. Okay, hi, Zero, welcome. I want to introduce the SIM card here. You can see here. The SIM card we offer to you is it total cover. Okay, the coverage is 200 countries and regions. Actually, the SIM card is just a SIM card plan. It can't do at one SIM card. 200 countries and regions, not in one SIM. It's definitely SIM card. Okay, so if you want a SIM card which can work in USA, I suggest you this one, the one we offer to most of our clients in American. If you want to use it in Mexico, we have another different designs. Okay, so you can tell us where we're going to use these radios. I can offer you the plan. Okay, so to make sure it will work in your country. Thank you so much, guys, for coming to our live. We will not take a very long time live. We come here to show you our latest product and also to give you the after sales service to make sure you can find us. Okay. During your Usenet, if you have any problems, the warranty is 1 year. The service is 1 year. Maybe you can see here the SIM card, or it will just write for lifetime. Okay, the lifetime is a service for lifetime. It's not. It doesn't mean the SIM card is for lifetime. The SIM card, it has a time limit. Okay, the SIM card is good for 1 year. After 1 year, you need to buy a new SIM or renew the SIM card. You can renew the SIM card, it's 35, or buy new SIM card, it's 35 US dollars. We upgrade our system now. We will have the generation 2 system, but it's still testing. Okay, we add a new function in our system. Okay, the SIM card, you can purchase the SIM card in our system, and you can check the expire date in our system after we upgrade the system, but it will need time. Okay, I think at least 1 to 2 months it will be perfect. Now we are still have some problems. This one is a small gift from global-ptt. It's a rubber doll. It's very cute. We developed by ourselves. This one's very cute one. The kids like it. If you like it, you can also claim it from me during we are doing the live. Okay, you can share our live with your friend to claim a free global-ptt doll from us. Okay, and another upgrade from the system is the one. This one I'm going to show you. Okay, if your radio it has GPS function, before it's only a red mark on the map. Okay, we upgrade the system. And you will just see your profile picture on the map. This is another another technology. Okay, which will be more convenient for our client to check the members on the map, to check the locations on the map. This is another upgrade from the global-ptt system. Okay, if you want to join us, you want to join the global-ptt family, you want to become our dealer to start your radio business, you are welcome to come to us. The first factory is just complete last month. It's almost 2 months. Okay, and we have many dealers. They come to the factory to visit. You can make an appointment with me if you want to visit our factory. Okay, I will just show you around and show you our production line and invite you for lunch. Okay, next one I'm gonna show another new product from global-ptt. That is the G6 Plus model, and we almost finish our live. This is the G6 Plus. This is a G6 Plus. It is the first and the only metal radios from global-ptt which has SOS and GPS. The other models they have SOS and GPS, but not metal. And this one's metal. Okay, metal radios. The metal radios just works great, clear and loud voice. When we press the SOS button, the SOS alarm rate will be on, and we can rotate the button to remove the antenna. But after removes antenna, the radio will just lost connection. Okay, it will lost 4G, and if no 4G, it will not work. Okay, some clients just come to me to ask about the Starlink. Okay, not yet. We will still need some time. For now, all the radios I show in our live are produced by us. They are 4G radios. They totally work under the 4G. If you can connect the Starlink in American, I think you can try. You can have your own plan about it. But from us here in our live or in our shop, they are all 4G radios. They cannot pick up the signal from 5G, only 4G. Even the SIM card, it supports 5G, but it will not work under 5G because it only have the 4G band. Okay, special for American design, it will get the American 4G band. Okay, if it's global band, it will get the global band. Global band, which means wherever you go, as long as you have the 4G and you insert the SIM card, it will work. US band means you can only use it in American. You go to the other country, it can't pick up the signal there in that country. What I show here, this one is global band. Okay, it can work in American, it can work in Mexico, it can work in Canada, it can work in UK, in Australia. The very developed countries, it will work better because the 4G reception, the 4G coverage, it will be much powerful. This one is G6 Plus model. Okay, compared to the other version, the advantages of this one is much durable. And it's, the metal radius, it has a clear, loud voice, and it works great, much durable. Okay, I just compare with this one, this one first. Okay, I just compare. This is a G380 model compared to G6 model. The G380 model, there's no GPS, no SOS, but it's metal. Okay, it is works great. They are same global band. Okay, and compared to this one, the G0 model. Compared to the G0 model, the G0 model, it is not metal. It's ABS material. It's a hard plastic one. So when you're using it, during using it, you drop it on the floor, okay, or you will use it for a long time, like 2 years, 3 years. The hard plastic one is not so much durable than the metal one. Okay, but this one is SOS and GPS. It is our best seller actually. Okay, and then we have another G9. The G9 model, it has GPS but not SOS. This one is the one that has SOS GPS made from metal, special design. Okay, so I highly recommend. This one will be the next best seller for the single mode radio. Before it's a G0 model, it's the best seller. It has a good price, but now I think it will be this one, the G6 Plus model. The price for it is $296 per pair, and this one's $220 per pair. It is cheaper, but this one the quality is better because it is metal. Okay, but if you want to buy it for your employees, I think you can buy the cheap one. Because the cheap one is more cost effective. If you buy 10, we can offer you 2 for free for those ones. Okay, for also the other ones, buy 10 free, 2 for the dealers. I can put your own logo. Yeah, you will have your own logo. I gonna to finish this live soon, guys. Do you have any questions? Just give 10 seconds to ask question. If no more, I gonna to go on the live to show the vehicle model, the V1 model. No question, right? Gonna to show the V1 model. This is V1. I think not last month. It's March. It's March. We just make a video for the V1 model, and now there's more than 1 million viewer. So which means this one is actually very popular. Okay, and some dealers we just get a big deal from one of our dealer. This one we upgrade it many times actually, the V1 model. We add SOS, or we add GPS, we change the power supply. This is the power supply, the new power supply. Okay, change it to USB type, so it is much suitable for the personal user, for the personal buyer, not the company buyer, to use it in their private car. Okay, when you turn the engine on, the radio it will be automatically on. You can use this radio to talk to your phone. You can, or you don't want to use it inside your car. You want to use it at home. You can put it at your home, just like a landline. Okay, and then the old power supply is this one. This is the old. Sorry, this is the old power supply. The cigarette lighter. Okay, the old power supply. We use this power supply to connect to the trunk. Okay, and we can use it. We can use it during we are driving. Okay, but the old power supply we need to press this button or to turn the radio on. It's a little bit of difference. The SOS function on the radio is very convenient, especially if you are a truck driver, you meet any emergency. Long press the SOS button, the SOS alarm, it will be on. And all the team members, they will notice that it can save your life. This is B1 model. The size is just not a big one. It's a small size. And the antenna is just a removable one. For this one, the V1 model, we have two versions actually. One version is with GPS, the other is without GPS. Without GPS, the price are different. Okay, if you need one with GPS function, you can go to the shop and check it. Normally, if it is with GPS function, it will just mark GPS. If no GPS, it will be no GPS. Okay, the price it will be different. We make this radio. The GPS function is actually not be added. Can't be added. Okay, the chips we put or the inner chips for this radio, it will be different with GPS or without a GPS. So once you get it, if your order is with GPS function, it will be automatically with GPS. If not, it can't be added after. Okay, to make sure, because some clients, they just come to me, they want me to add the GPS for them. It can't be added. Okay, if your radio has GPS, we can open it in the system. That's it. If it is without GPS, it can't be added. I just showed 3 new models from global-ptt. 528 Plus model, the Radio Pro. Okay, the G8 Plus model, which we use the AI noise reduction technology on it, which works great, clear, loud voice, high power. It's 10 word. Okay, the new model, that's 2 are 10 word. The old one is only 8 word. So which means under the condition that you lost 4G, this radio it can work longer distance. Okay, and then G6 Plus model. This is the G6 Plus model. The G6 Plus model is metal. It has GPS and SOS, works great. G6 Plus model, 528 Plus model, G8 Plus model, and the one that I want to show you, this is this one. This will be the last one. Okay, the 5288 model. I show the big models more in our live because the big models are the product for customers directly. And the small ones, we also do customer to customer. But normally the customer, they're going to order it for their business. So it will just also become a business to business. Okay. And this one is the 528 model. Okay, it's global-ptt and then UHF. Okay. It is a 2-in-1, and this one is just a 3-in-1 global-ptt radios. The 5288 Plus model is upgrade of the 5288. Okay. Both of them works great. If you want a simple one, you can choose 5288. If you want a much powerful, which can work under UV band and global-ptt, you can choose the Plus. 不行。Last 1 minute, I'm gonna to finish this live. Thank you so much for today, for coming to our live. Every other day for this YouTube live, we're going to have the YouTube live every other day, and the Amazon live is every other day. We're going to have the Tiki live every day except holidays. Okay. Thank you so much for coming. Bye bye. Bye bye. Good night. Bye bye.